Hello, this is Osama Mahmoud. I'm a lecturer in data science and statistics at University of Essex in UK. In this short video, I aim to introduce what is data science, why is it a promising career, and what we offer to our students to enable them establish their knowledge and master their skills in this fascinating field. Well, working on large data sets is really the norm now. It's not the exception. In my opinion, this resulted from 4 trends. Firstly, the information technology movement. As we can all see, individuals, organizations, as well as governments tend to move their major processes to happening in the computers. We can then instrument them and collect data. Secondly, the mobile revolution that allows us to measure almost everything, everywhere. Thirdly, the massive use of social media and streaming platforms. This enables us to collect data about individual insights, views, interests, and so on. And finally, the sensor network revolution that's enabled to measure everything, not only about humans, but also about cars, trains, aeroplanes, kitchen appliances, and medical health, etc. Many aspects in statistics change when we're working at scale. For example, after fitting a regression model, a statistician might perform diagnostic checks to look at the goodness of fit of the model and to explore potential outliers. This approach is not scalable when we want to run 100,000 regression models on a single data set, which is typical these days. We are in a need for an automated and large-scale approach. This is not only applicable for data analysis. Both academia and the industry face challenges in storing and processing this abundant data. Therefore, statisticians and computer scientists need to collaborate to develop new methodologies. Here came the data science field, with its own academic journals, textbooks, and university departments, as well as research groups within departments. The world realized that we need to educate people the required skills of data science. From there, we can see a massive demand for data science jobs. But it's really important to understand that people don't want data. They want answers. Data have to be supplemented with skills and techniques that enable people to extract insights, conclusion, and eventually answers. Without statistical machine learning and data mining skills, we have nothing. Statistics is really the core discipline for analyzing data. Programming skills needed to develop new methodology and automating the process. The data science field integrates statistical machine learning, data mining, and deep learning techniques with programming skills. It's essential to understand that all data sets have problems: distortion, missing data, measurement bias, etc. This might be well explored in small data sets, but it's even more potentially serious for large data sets. Because of necessity, the computer is an intermediary between you and the data. Obviously, you cannot see the data at the same depth you do as with small data. At the University of Essex, we have a great focus on educating people the required skills and techniques for this fascinating field. I'd like to talk very briefly about my research interests in data science. I'm interested in machine learning, data mining, medical statistics, and biostatistics, all of which are subdisciplines of statistics indeed. The Department of Mathematical Science at Essex plays world-leading role in the research of data science. The expert academics at the Department of Mathematical Science have developed several novel statistical methods that are being applied nowadays in many different fields. Teaching-wise, we offer a large number of courses, programs, and techniques covering all aspects of data science. As an example, I'd like to show you one of the short courses that we deliver to our students in summer schools. Here, if we look at this web page is storing short courses that covering the R program that mainly used in most of data science applications. Along with Python, they form the major tools for data science applications. From this web page, you can have a look on the course content and download the slides. It's publicly available, so anyone can have a copy and start learning R. These slides is clearly explained, so you can use your time in summer and learn some basic skills about R programming language. Here, if we go down, that you can see a PDF version of the course slides that is downloadable. If you download that and look at this course, you will see that it's really easy to follow. Here is the content of the course. As you can see, this covering introduction to R from scratch. So this is entirely for beginners. So enjoy learning the basic skills of R. One other thing I'd like to show you is how far you can reach with R. So this web page is designed using R. So here it's a kind of interactive interface that allows user to explore your data and your analysis results and play with it. So for example, this is a simple histogram for a simple data set. From here, a user or a person who is interested in your analysis can choose the variable to be plotted here. So I can change the variable is plotted on my histogram from this drop-down menu, and I can have a control even on the number of bins in these histograms, or changing these to a little bit more number of bins, giving us instantly the output. Here you can have a different plot. So this is a scatter plot. You can again change the factors that used to have this kind of output. If you look here, that it's each of them producing the figures instantly, and it's really nice. It's really nice feature in R that you can have this kind of fancy tools, and visualization, of course, one of the most important feature in R. So we are really interested to receive your questions, your inquiries. Looking forward to see as many of you at the University of Essex soon. Thank you very much for watching.